In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add single select and multi-select options in Airtable. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing your projects more efficiently, whether you're managing tasks, categorizing items, or prioritizing your workflows. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you're going to want to open up your Airtable table. Once you're there, you'll notice a plus button beside your current columns. This allows you to add new fields into your table. Alternatively, you can right-click on any column header and choose either Insert Left or Insert Right to specify where you'd like to add your new field. Now that you're ready to name this field, think about what it represents in your project. Maybe it's a status update for tasks, perhaps something like Status, Priority, or Department. Naming your field clearly will help you and your team make the most of this functionality. Once you've named your field, it's time to select the field type. From the drop-down list of options, choose Single Select. This is the ideal choice if you want to limit your options to just one choice per record, providing clarity and focus for entries where only one status, category, or priority level is appropriate. Now comes the creative part, adding your options. You'll want to think about all the possible statuses or categories for your field, like To Do, In Progress, or Completed. Enter these options one by one, pressing Enter after each one to clearly define them as separate entities. As a helpful tip, consider assigning colors to each option, making it visually easy to distinguish between the selections at a glance. After you've set up your options, you'll want to save your work by clicking either Create Field or Save. This will apply the field across all records in your table, allowing for a drop-down menu in each cell where you can choose one option per entry. Next, let's talk about how to add a multiple select field. Start again by adding a new field using the plus Add Field button. This time, from the drop-down menu, you'll select Multiple Select. This feature lets you add a broader range of categories to a single cell, which is perfect for when an item can belong to multiple groups or tasks, can have overlapping responsibilities. You'll follow the same process for adding your options, with examples like SEO, email marketing, design, and sales. Each can be individually selected or used in conjunction with others, offering flexibility and a holistic view of your project components. Finally, remember to save the field so that this multi-option functionality is fully integrated and ready to use. This makes it possible for users to select several options within one cell, like combining SEO, design, and sales to indicate multifaceted tasks or interests. And that's it. You now have all you need to effectively add and use single select and multiple select fields in Airtable, helping streamline your data entry and project management tasks.